Hola, this will be a video about Spanish pronunciation, specifically how to use the vowels. There's 5 vowels in Spanish. They are A, as in araña, E, as in elefante, I, as in isla, O, as in oso, and U, as in uva. And I hope that during this video you will repeat after me after all the words. That's why I'm giving a pause for you to practice. There's strong vowels and weak vowels in Spanish. The strong vowels are A, E, O, and the weak vowels are I, U. And the purpose of discriminating between the strong and weak is because it determines how many syllables those letter combinations are going to have. We can do a little bit of vowel mathematics here in Spanish. When you have a strong plus a strong, that becomes 2 separate syllables. For example, leer. When you have a strong plus a weak, it becomes 1 syllable. For example, escritorio, fue. And when you have weak plus weak, it also becomes only 1 syllable. For example, luego, fui. The ones that only have 1 syllable will change into 2 if the word has a written accent mark. So that's part of the purpose of written accent marks in Spanish. We'll talk more about that in a minute. When you have 2 vowels pronounced as only 1 syllable, it's called a diphthong, or in Spanish, diphtongo. And remember, this happens when we have a strong plus a weak vowel, or a weak vowel plus another weak vowel. Here's some examples. Please repeat after me. Seis, reina, baile, aire, oigo, ruido, Europa, estudiar, delicioso, ciudad, cuidar, luego, abuela, 4. When we have 2 vowels pronounced as 2 separate syllables, it's called a hiatus or hiato in Spanish. And this can happen when we have 2 strong vowels or when we have a strong weak or weak combination. Should have been a diphthong, but we're separating it into 2 separate syllables because there's a written accent mark. Let's do the ones with 2 strong vowels first. Please repeat. Aeropuerto, toalla, leer, zoológico. And then the other type of hiatus is when we take what should have been a diphthong, but we separate it because there's a written accent mark. Día, maíz, oír, María, baúl. Let's take a little quiz now. I'm going to show you the word. You try to say it, and then I'll show you and say the answer. Try this one. Say it out loud. Caer. Piano. País. Leal. Radio. Aunque. Fuego. Buen trabajo.